Yeah, man. We're coming in, folks. Yeah, man. It's tournament day, folks. Biggest stream of the week. I love Wednesdays. We are in a game. It's a warm-up game. You guys know. Man, I'm just gonna play chess, man. Dude. I go live late at night. I don't go live late at night. I play chess late at night on Lee Chess. The After Dark sessions. If you know what I mean. And I just win more games, man. I win more games. It tells me I think I'm overthinking. This is the wrong move. I thought he was going to grow a brain. Now, believe it or not, yeah, I can't play G6. No, this is the move. This is what I'm going to play. It's what I always play. Play your knight here. Good. I do this. And then we do this. He plays this and we take. And now you can't play knight back. Could be good. Could be good. I'm feeling good about this. Yeah. Now, do we take or do we take first to get the bishop there? I think we take to get the bishop there. Trying to remember the best move in the position, folks. Getting a tournament. I'm going to post the link. I'm going to post, guys. I know I'm supposed to be playing chess right now. This is why I lose. We're going to win, though. We're going to win. Get in the tournament. I just got to say join tourney here. Join tourney here. Bang. Bang. There we go. Join tourney here. Oh my God, it did it to me again. I never can trust that one. What are you guys doing today? Join tourney here. Bam. There we go. And here. And everybody now has a link to the tournament, folks. I usually play this, so I'm going to play it. If he comes back, it's good. He can't take with the bishop because of the fork. And he can't take with the queen because of the fork. So he has to take with the pawn. Which is not like winning or anything, but it's good. Bill Stevens, what's up, dude? Oh, he brings the knight back there. Oh my God. I think it's bishop f5. Takes, and then he plays the knight back though. I have to study this move, Bill. I don't know it. I don't know this maneuver. Definitely take. And bishop e7. Get his queen out there where I want it, folks. Right where I want it. Blocking. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, he could come here. He can be an annoyer. He could be a little bit of a baby annoyer, folks. Then he could bring the knight in. Oh, he does that to attack my pawnster. That's my pawnster. Do we push and let the knight come? This could be the move. We've seen it before, guys. I've seen this It's backwards. It's backwards and unusable. Bishop e6, knight f4. Bishop e6, he plays knight f4, and we are in Troublemente. I just made that word up, but I think you know what it means. I kind of want to push. Takes, knight here, and we can rip this. I'm gonna push. I'm not castled yet, guys. That's bad. Queen check, knight. Billion percentile. It's in the billion percentile. It's a real stat. Man, Bill Stevens, Troublemente. Dude, I am so excited to see my dad, man. I just called him. He is coming. Okay. He plays the knight. Okay. Oh, he comes with a look. Now, do I just castle? I literally might just castle. Oh, man, he has a threat. Queen check. So I can't castle. Now you can't castle. Oh, the pawn is threatened, bro. Oh, my God. This is not good. Bishop. Takes, queen takes. Check, knight g6, queen takes, and I'm losing material. I've really screwed this up, guys. We have to come back. No, he has queen check. He has queen check. Taking the pawn. So I guess I have to do this? Am I losing now? If I do this, he has knight takes, and queen check, and he picks up my rook. I've really screwed this up. Man. I have a check to defend the pawn. C3 helps him. The best move is probably just castles. Do you know that? Give him the pawn. Let the center fall apart. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm so excited for the gig. I'm so excited to... Man. Yeah, I'm glad I saw that tactics. And it's all because... Although... Bishop f5. Knight takes, queen takes. Check. King f7. Oh, he gets this with check is the problem. So I have to play king f8. When he takes, I have this move. And massive development, but I can't castle. I should just castle. My whole center will fall apart. Yeah, bishop f5 pinning the knight. He has queen check. And then this square is falling. I could come back, but he takes a pawn. I think I'm losing my center. I have a big center, and I because I'm not castled, I think I'm losing it. What about this move? What this move, he can check and then take the pawn. I'm losing the pawn, which means I'm going to lose this pawn. I'm going to learn. It sucks, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn. These are the hard lessons, folks. I have okay. Let's count what we have. Easy development. Yeah. When he takes, at least I'll be threatening mate. If he takes, but he shouldn't take. He should queen check. Queen check. Best. And then queen or knight takes. And it's not good. Branson, how you doing, dude? Hello, Charlie and Chillers. I'll still see patience during the tournament. Cool. Cool, man. Got to take care of your patience. Dude, thanks for liking the stream. Branson, Steve Hamilton, Carmine Sardo, my dad, Christopher Doggett, Bill Stevens. Thank you guys so much for the likes. I really appreciate it. It really helps the stream. Trouble Amente, guys. Wait, what'd he do? Plays a check. One good thing is, if he takes with the queen, he takes with the queen. This doesn't do anything. This must be... Oh, God, I thought the rook was hanging. This must be the best move. And he should castle. With massive pressure on this. Drew! Dude, we're gaming tonight. Zachary's run tonight, folks. Elden Ring. It is most likely the last speed run of the co-run clash. Streaming that on YouTube and Twitch tonight at 8 p.m. Totally looking forward to that. This guy. Guys, we're going down to 1,400. Don't say that. I don't care if I go down to 1,400. I want to play better chess. Just castles is a good move. Just castles is a good move. His queen is... Yeah, just castles. Knight takes, knight takes. I don't have a check. I can't even play this. I can't play this. I mean, I can, but then it just gives him a start on his run. Here. And rook c8. Now he should probably take this. It removes a defender. Then he could take this pawn. With the knight, I could get in here. This could be a threat. And if he takes the pawn, we're going to take back. That could help. Our video featuring you, Charlie, is coming on 5,000 views on Facebook. Branson, that's awesome. Cloud says, hey, Charlie, watching on Twitch today for a bit. Would love to see you get viewership up here, get some sponsors, and it will jump. Claude, thank you, man. What'd he do? He's freaking responding, guys. He's responding. Yeah, respond to this, buddy. Respond to this. Now you can't take the pawn. He could push, but it would severely weaken his scenario. All of them. Branson, that video is posted on your page, right? Okay, takes. Is it rook takes? I think it's queen takes. Because checks abound. Now I'm threatening a pawn. He might want to hold on to that. This is probably not a bad move because it protects his pawn. I have maybe ideas of pushing. I do. It's a threat, actually. Because if rook takes, I have a discover check on the queen. The discover check on the queen is actually a really good thing. There are ideas of bishop. Throwing them out there. I like rook c8 because now you can push d3. I just said that, Pepe. Bill Stevens says you were so smart. I wish I could think as far ahead as you. Branson, guys, Branson made a really cool video. Branson is Goat Doc, and he beat Daniel last week in the tournament. And he made a video of the game and of him playing it in real time. And he talks a little bit about some of his thought process. He can do this? I guess he can do this. I can take the pawn, but he gets a piece. That's bad. I can attack the queen, but he takes a pawn, and he's still on the bishop. I think I need to take, and then I have to move my queen, and it sucks. I think I have to take. It opens. But he takes with the queen, man. But then I might be able to win material. I might be able to win material with check. He has f4, though, is the problem. Because, see, check and then rook here. The problem is he has f4. Then I can come back, threaten mate, maybe get this going. But see the threat? This is a naughty threat. But if I play it now, he has queen takes. Even though I have rook takes, he just plays king takes, and then I have to get the queen back, and that's not good. This could be a really good threat, but do I? Check. I'm playing the check. It gives him f4, but I want him to step out of the check, and that looks like a good move. But then I have this move. He got a draw. Hey, Charlie. What? Oh, that's right. He didn't win. He got a draw. Yeah, a draw is like a win. Now we do this. And I think I'm winning. Am I winning? But I had to see the bishop back. You know what I'm saying? Which is not hard to see. A pawn is being looked at menacingly. Ooh, that sounds like something the coach might say. Is this winning, guys? Is it winning? Did I just win? I didn't win. I didn't win, guys. Stop saying I won. He had f4. He should have played f4. I gave him a chance to go wrong. You think I won, Buck? I gave him a chance to go wrong. He should have played f4. Now he plays f4. Now we take a queen. I have lots of time. I think I take the queen. How did I do it? Now we threaten mate and the rook to save this. And then we just start attacking. Mate and the rook. I still have this. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. Did he? I think I'm still okay. But I didn't see this move. He goes there. Now I can come here. Or I can come to this square. No, I can't come to that square. Maybe attack the square again? This is probably a great move. It's probably a great move. Do I win another pawn? He does have 2 pawns and a rook for the queen. So check. I mean, it's not check. It hits the rook. I'm going to hit the rook. I really need to get rid of the back rank problem. If it brings the rook, it's cool because I'm going to have this idea. Hitting the rook and this square. And it blocks the bishop too, so I really want him to do this. Because we'll take. Brings the rook here. Oh no, I didn't see it. I didn't see it. That's a good move. I didn't see it. Oh, man. And one thing, too, this isn't actually threatening mate. So if I come back and rook takes, I have check, king over, and I can't come back here and win the rook. So I kind of screwed up. Just come back. The rook is blocking. And we're going to get the bishop here. Or I could play bishop here. Trade. Also, I would rather make left with h6. But he has a light squared bishop. Feel? Dave Joyce with the 200 Facebook Gaming Stars. I wanted that pawn, guys. I wanted that pawn. Okay. Do we hit the rook? I think we hit the rook. Forcing the trade of bishops. I should have maybe this way. Maybe just bring the rook. Maybe this is the wrong square to be looking at. But I think he wants to play bishop. We definitely want to trade a set of rooks. Streamrock is rocking it. He plays rook here. Did he drop a rook? He's going to resign, right? Surely he'll resign. Bishop takes rook. My back rank is protected. He had bishop. What am I missing? Like, I literally feel like I can't even see the board right now because he dropped a rook and it's weird. My back rank is covered, bro. Stop calling me Shirley. Shirley. Brings. Hit the bishop and the square. Hit the bishop and the square. He plays here. I didn't really even look at the threat. Oh wait, I had the check. I had the check. I'm getting low on time. I had the check. Okay, it's a move. This is loose. I can't believe I had the check, guys. Let's cut him off and trap his rook. And hit the square again. I should just do this instantly. Just do it. Just do it, right? He has nothing. He has nothing. Look at the rook. B6. And then here and king up and win the rook. No, he'll get away. He just looks trapped, guys. He's not really trapped. I could do anything. I could do anything. Okay. There's probably mate. Check. If king over, it's mate, so he must come here. And then I could play takes and check. Do we take with the bishop? Take with the queen. Gives him a chance. I'm doing this. And then I'm going to play this move. Takes, pawn takes, king over, pawn push. He can actually queen. I have to do this move. I have to do this move. Wow, he goes there. I can do this. This causes problems in the universe. He could get a pass pawn out of it, maybe. It's a good move. It's a good move. This wins. I already won. Sometimes moves look so natural, but then I play it and it leads to a losing piece. Is there a book for that? Just keep playing, man. Keep playing and play slow games. Go over your games. Do puzzles. That's kind of a cool move, right? Because I'm threatening checkmate. And I'm threatening to trade and trade and trade and trade. I mean, guys, I have a queen. I'm up a full queen. A full queen? Oh, yeah, he dropped the rook, too. Okay. He's going for it, guys. Just stop it. Just stop it. God, it feels good to book a win, folks. I saw the threat. I saw the threat, man. I gave him a chance to go wrong. Good game, dude. Thumbs up. Bringing us back to the 1,600 mark. Get in the tournament, guys. Who's in? No one's in. Oh, Bozo Chess is in, and Z Marshall is in. Love it. Zachary, dude, we're gaming tonight, brother. Dude, Stagner, it's going great. I literally watched a... You know what? They have all those videos on YouTube about the flight, air traffic controllers versus pilots. Oh, the pilot was talking about, he was sitting on the, I think he was trying to get out. He was trying to take off, and he was sitting there. He's like, you know, we got an ETA when we're going to get out of here. And he says, it was like 9 p.m. or something, or 8, it was like 8 o'clock or 8:30 or something p.m. Do you know when we're going to get out of here? Air traffic control says, by midnight, you'll be out of here by midnight. He's being funny. But it wasn't funny. The guy didn't really respond. A little bit later. Oh, no, he said something about fuel. Pilot said something about fuel. And the guy says, fuel is your priority, not mine. The air traffic controller says. A little bit later, it comes up again. He says the same thing again. Fuel is your priority, not mine. And the pilot called him an idiot. He wants his boss's phone number, all this stuff. It was great. It was great. It sounded like a real one. You set your timer for tonight? Cool. Guys, let's look at this game and see what just happened. Guys, that's Z Marshall, man. Zachary. That's Zachary is Z Marshall, guys. He's playing tonight, me and him. Game review. We're going to see, guys. I got in a worse position. Yeah, he was... I was better than I thought. First thing we do, folks, we always do... The Fallen Squiggler tells a story. Look, he was better because I played F5. Then it was equal because he played bad moves, and I was better, clearly better. He got back to even. I was winning and didn't see it, and blundered, and bang, he comes up, and he was clearly better. And then womp, womp, now you lose. That's the story of the Squiggler, guys. I'm telling you, we must improve our Squiggler thrust, folks. Oh my God. We're going to look at some stats, guys. It's everyone's favorite part of the stream. When I move my face and I forget to move it back. 65.1% by him. He has a nice koala bear picture. I like that. I played 73.4%, not very good. No brilliant moves by either of us. He had one great move, I had 2. He played 7 best, I played 14 best moves. He had 4 mistakes, I had 2. He had 2 misses, I had 3 misses. And he had 1 blunder, I had none. He played like 1,000, I played like a 1400chess.com enthusiast. Some controllers are douches with the D. Sushes. With the D. I got you, man. Yeah. Well, you know what, dude? It's a job. It's a job. People are at work. Is air traffic controller Hammer? How you doing, brother? Just keep the face covering. Everything seems better. Oh, do you still play Warzone, Buck? I literally... My C drive is getting a little bit full. 240 gig, 270 gig left of 900 and something. So it's like a little over 2/3 full. And every once in a while, my Elden Ring is doing a little hiccup, but I made a bunch of changes, and I think that might fix it. We're going to find out tonight. But I know SSD drives, it's like, yeah, you can have a terabyte of storage, but when it starts getting full, it starts getting slow. Which is weird. So it's not really a terabyte, right? I thought yesterday about uninstalling Warzone. It's like Warzone. You can't uninstall Warzone. Well, I don't play Warzone. But I don't want to uninstall it. Because then I'll never play it. I keep it updated. I had a thumbnail. I was going to do a Warzone stream. Because I want to go see. I want to go see what the heck's going on in that game. Oh, Hammer says I have my MSI laptop back this afternoon. So excited. Dude, Hammer, congratulations, man. Moto congratulatione on that. Because you deserve to have your gaming laptop. MSI. Let me look. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. E4, E5. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Latvian, bang, 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 bad move, best move. And like already, there's probably nothing in the book for this. There's a draw. So we'll just go to analyses. He should play. Oh yeah, I play E4, and then Knight F6. That's what I play. Knight F6. Now, computer might say Knight C6. It always wants Knight C6, but I have C5. C5 is the move. Warzone is like paying for a gym membership and not going because it takes a lot of space, but you keep it just in case. Yeah, Zachary says I'm having an energy drink before the tournament. Dude, don't. The tournament is very important, Zachary. But I don't need an energy dump before our speed run. My C drive is getting full. New song. So I play the ever popular C5 move. This is the best move? Never seen it. The best move, what did I say? It always wants Knight C6. And what happens if he takes? We play D4. I didn't see this. I didn't see it, guys. He has C4. It's not a move, though. Because I can't en passant because my queen's hanging. But his best move is Knight G3. We go Bishop D6 or Bishop E7. Oh, my God. Computer wants C4. Computer wants C4. But developing moves are Bishop D7, Bishop E6, or H5. Okay, so on Knight E2, we play Knight C6. ED3 was the second best move. It's my midday caffeine pick-me-up. I'll be good. Yeah, I know, you're a grown man. I'm just trying to, I'm working toward the speed run tonight. Stagnus is going to get the kids and hopefully just in this week. I'm not sure what it means. I'm excited for you too, Hammer. Knight C6. If pawn takes, we push D4. And if LG5, we probably push this way. Wow. E3 is the best move, or ED3. But D4 is the maneuver. Queen takes, D4. Knight E4, Bishop E7. Takes. This is very similar to the game. Okay. Oh yeah. So ED3 was the second best move, and it's not bad. It's just not the best. Jerry, how you doing? You gonna play today? Gonna get the kids and hopefully just in this week on the hour. Travi B, what time is the tourney? It starts at 4 p.m. in 21 chess.com minutes. Zachary Tharp says, I was playing this morning, getting a couple more levels, fighting different bosses for the runes. I have a mug ready to go, also that I wanted to try Monday night, but I couldn't get on. Okay, cool. Cool, man. Takes was okay. That's okay. Knight C6. Why? It's like, I didn't want D4 because of this. But it's not like it's good for him or something. Because I get castled. And I could take... I might still lose this, but we might have this idea. Takes. And he needs to develop. Bishop e7 defending. He still can queen check. Okay, so takes. Here. D4 was best. I did play D4. Hey. Thank you for the like. That name, almost the first name, Indrikim. FND. Diha. Thank you for the like. Cherry Scotia, thank you for the like. William Hunt with the share. Always. Thank you, William. Cameron Ayers, thank you for the like, man. Thank you for the like. You might. Cool. Takes. Knight comes. Castles was best, guys. Castles, remember, dude, how much time I spent on this move? 13 minutes to 10 minutes, guys. I spent way too much time. But I felt like this was a spot where I could just be losing the game because he's going to, after castles, he can check, take, and once he takes this is going to fall. And I feel like that would be losing. That's why I didn't want a castle, but just castles. I had to bite the bullet. That's a blunder. King h8. It keeps wanting him to play this move. That's good. Oh my... I didn't even see knight a6. I didn't even see knight a6. You say it's on the rim and it's grim. No. It's a free move. Wow. And it's almost a pawn better to play this than what I played knight c6. Where's his queen go? Queen h5 looking. G6 annoying. Queen b5. Bishop e7, because I have queen check. If he takes, I have this. Yes, I see it. And then we're just look at this position. I have 3 pawns and he has 6. I'm down 3 pawns. But look at his pieces. Look at his pieces. It said knight d2. Okay, c3. C3 actually looks better. Rook a to e8. Saying now you just can't move the knight. This is brutal. Wow. Rook a e8. Leaving this. Takes. Black is crushing. Takes. Castles. Takes check. Look at his king, guys. Look at his king! Here. This is hanging, though. I have a check here, too, by the way. Rook b8 hitting. Oh, that saves the rook. And his best move is to take here. Oh, that's check. How am I going to mate him, though? How am I winning? Oh, because no. Takes. He can't take this. Oh, it's my move. Now you can't move. Rook c8. And this, I guess, it's just... These attackers are going to be way too much. Well, I have the queen, too. That's a crazy line, bro. Okay. That was a mistake. Knight a6 is better. Attacking the queen. See the value in it, guys. You develop a piece for free. It's on the rim. but he has to answer for Fredo. I got one step closer to being fully developed. Knight c6. Castles. That's a blunder or a mistake. Oh, bishop e7 saves the knight. Saves the bishop. Didn't consider it. He should have played knight f6. a3 is a miss. That's inaccuracy. Again, save the bishop. Takes. Queen takes his best. Knight takes is a mistake. Queen f4 check is winning. Everything else is equal. Queen f4 check. King b1. c3. Rook d5. Guys, look at this, man. This is why I play Latvian Gambits. His best move is bishop d3. His best move is bishop d3. It's beautiful. I didn't see queen f4, guys. I took... Oh, he has rook d2 as well. He actually even has queen e3 or queen d2. But I just gave him a chance to go wrong. Yeah. Gave him a chance to go wrong, man. What time do you get your laptop back, Hammer? I mean, like, let's talk how much longer. You said I get it back this afternoon. This afternoon could be at 1. It could be at 4. How fast do we get it? Is it coming? Is it being shipped? Did you go pick it up? I have an MSI gaming laptop as well. Is it gaming laptop, right? I think mine's an MSI. It's my part of my rotary. Curtis Cullen became a supporter. Curtis, thank you, dude. Thank you so much, man, for becoming a supporter at Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. You now have access to behind-the-scenes footage, a secret group. It's probably a re-up, right? Thank you. Chess workshops and more. No workshop this weekend, guys. Next weekend is a workshop. Yeah. Facebook, one thing about their alerts, they're like, Curtis Cullen like the stream, and I know the name Curtis. I know Curtis. He doesn't constantly talk in chat, but I know him. If you ever play Warzone again, can I join you? Buck, I would love to play with you, man. Hammer said it was delivered today around 11:30 this morning or something like that. I reinstalled everything I had put on my laptop already. So you had to get an entirely new hard drive. Is this correct? This is the blunder. This is the best move. This is a little too late. This is best. That was good. It wanted queen f6. Just hit the rook. Keep on this square, and then maybe play this move or something. See, I'm winning, but accuracy and efficiency matters. C. Marshall says, I have MSI laptop. It works great. Love it. Hammer says, yes. Cool. It's a move. Zachary's all over the place, brother. Love to see you. A new hard drive, and they had to fix my charging port as well. Cool. You play Warzone all the time, Terry? Do you really? That was excellent. It wanted, wow, just bishop f5. Oh, no, bishop f5, which I think I play later. Oh, I didn't see this was threatening mate. I didn't see it. I didn't see rook d8 threatens mate. But I, for some reason, felt like I should be attacking this square. That was good. Look at, I had queen c6. No, but queen c6. Why can't he do this? Queen c4. Christopher Doggett with the 50 stars. Christopher, thank you, guys. For some reason, I don't understand what's going on with the alerts, man. The Curtis Cullen became a supporter alert. That's probably a re-up. That one. Because they all turned back to the zombie running. That's not my become a supporter thing. I'm gonna have to go back into Streamlabs and have a talk with my alerts. And do you know it's -6 even if I play Queen D4? Because I'm threatening mate and still threatening the rook. Isn't that crazy move? Just takes. Now I had queen check. But I didn't play it. That's like losing half a pawn. That was the best move. Taking with the bishop was best. Hey! Zombies don't usually run that fast. Yeah, it's kind of a bad representation of a zombie, huh? Most zombies I've seen, Bill Stevens, don't run that fast. Yeah. That's a blunder. I saw this check, but I thought, oh, wait a minute. This is mate. I had mate in 2 and didn't see it. Wow. Mate in 2, guys. I thought his king was running if he went this way. It's not running anywhere. Hey, look at that. I mean, I could have just as easily played king over. Centralize the king. You know what I'm saying? Good turnout last night. Did you promote the Papa Bear gig? You know, I don't cross-promote gigs at different clubs. I know in places, maybe like Nashville, I know in Austin people do it. But around here in the smaller towns, even though a lot of club owners work together on promotions, on different things, they can work together, but a lot of clubs don't appreciate when you're at one gig and saying, hey, we're going to be at the bar across the street tomorrow night. Come see us there. They don't appreciate it. So I don't promote gigs. I don't cross-promote gigs at separate clubs. I'll go to the club that I'm going to be playing and promote the gig. You know what I'm saying? And it's funny, too, because the owner of Brass Hall, or the guy, I think he's the owner, he's the guy in charge. He's my boss. Nicest guy in the world. Good businessman. He's so freaking level-headed, man. He wouldn't care. He wouldn't care. I just kind of feel weird doing it. But he wouldn't care. Because he really likes the businesses to work together for a greater common good. Do you know what I'm saying? That's his mentality. He's a forward thinker, guys. But I still didn't promote it at the open mic. Started out really quiet. It was almost what I would consider dead until 10 o'clock. We start at 9. And so we got up and played some music to just a few people, 4 people or something. And then, boom, people started showing up. Musicians, people. It was not a bad night at all. Would I've liked it to be a little bit busier? Of course, I always want it busier. But it turned into a night. So it started out slow, though, man. And Wolfman told me it's been slow. He said, the last few days have been really quiet, man. So I thought, oh, God, we're going to have a freaking dead night. We didn't. It turned out really good. And had some new performers, too. It was cool. So, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, so what I was laughing so much about is, in this position, the best move is H6. Crazy. And is that what I played? It is what I played. But I actually would believe that this is a better move. I mean, Everything wins. Everything freaking wins, guys. Oh, I just got a message from the fiddle player for tomorrow night, and I had to look at it. Not tomorrow night, Saturday night. Who's in the tournament, guys? Who is in El Tournamente? We take these guys. We take these wins. We need them. All right. I'm in at exactly 1,600. I'm easy rating points right now, guys. Play the tournament. Beat me. Bozo Chess, Ice Slick Trick, Pilot Cougar Chess, and Z Marshall. It's exciting, guys. Tournament day. Yeah, it is. It is. But I'm telling you, but this particular guy wouldn't care. He'd be like, if everybody cross-promoted, then it would even out. And it'd be better for everybody. Right? That's how he thinks. But some people think, yeah, but everyone doesn't cross-promote. And if you're the only one that does it, then maybe that Saturday night, someone that thought they might go over to his bar and spend a few bucks and have a couple drinks might say, oh, Charlie's playing at Jammer's Roadhouse, man. Let's go see him. And then, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Of course, you understand. Yeah. I think people do that in Austin, man. In Austin, I think that's kind of totally acceptable. Claude says it's the same on streams. They have rules or prefer you don't use their resources to promote yourself because it draws their viewers away. Most have a spot on Discord for that and encourage that. Yeah, exactly. Easy points. You're too modest. Rob Mitchell, how you doing, brother? Good to see you. What are we doing here, guys? We won our... Oh, yeah, the tournament starts in 3 minutes. I guess I'm not going to make coffee. We're going to warm this one up, though. Guys, the house is almost done being cleaned. It still looks like a mess. These are probably too big for most things. These even for upholstery, these are big scissors. There's a size down from this, but these are one pair of my scissors. Okay, let's get that coffee. Oh, the tournament's filling up, folks. Daniel is back. Daniel wins almost every week. Daniel is solid, man. Then I am in Bozo Chess at 1582, Atticus at 1568, Buck Wild at... Guys, refresh yourchess.com. Be sure you're on yourchess.com app right now. Be sure it's refreshed. If you tabbed out or something, you join the tournament, you're going to miss your first round. Oh, Twisted Pixel is in. Cool. Payroll, Zmart. Okay, so yeah, Atticus, Buck Wild, 1485. Buck Wild, you've been 1500. You've been 1500, right? Ice Slick Trick, Ratul. Ratul's up and comer, bro. Twisted Pixel, up and comer. Might be a little out of shape, I don't know, but he's playing. Pilot Cougar Chess, Payroll, and Z Marshall. Twisted Pixel was like freaking back when he was studying chess. Christopher Dogger says, I own a golf course and I allow other courses to promote events at mine. I think is for the betterment of the game. That's what I'm talking about. Don't run with those, Charlie. A dude, you know, yeah, it's going to be a great tournament, guys. Never seen someone put a microwave on the fridge. Is that a space thing or just a preference? 1,000,000% space. Josh, how you doing, brother? Yeah, it's 1,000,000% a space thing. I mean, that's my kitchen. That's my kitchen. That is my kitchen. Look at my kitchen. That's my kitchen. That's all the counter space I have in my kitchen. That's all the counter space I have in my kitchen. All right, guys. I get to play my good friend, one of my longest supporters, moderators, real life friend, came to the Chillers real life meetup, Twisted Pixel. Good luck, brother. Play well, my friend. This is fun, man. This is fun playing Stagner. I get to play Stagner in real life. We sat on the back patio of the hotel. I had a big bottle of something. And we played chess. We ordered pizza. And how did I... Oh, because Stagner had the app, I guess? I guess Stagner had the app. I'm like, why the heck did Stagner... Because I gave him cash for the pizza because he... Interesting. What? E5, D5. En passant castle? Just take the pawn back? I don't even know what to do here. I know that this is the move, but when they play D5... You play bishop check, I think. I could do this. D5 takes. That opens up lines toward my king. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. Queen takes. Knight c6. I don't have bishop b5. It's not even a thing. And then like maybe queen back. No, it's queen d3. You know what I'm saying? It's all not exactly good stuff. Just castles takes rook over d5. I think that's okay. I got a free win. I'm the lucky guy. Z Marshall got a free win, folks. He defends. Attack king. Attack king. E5 is a maneuver. Because now on D5 takes. Now you can't take. Now you can't play bishop takes. And I have bishop h6. Defending the pawn. He goes here, attacking. Attack king. Now we kick and make 99 loop doubloons. No, we have bishop f7 check, king takes, knight g5 check. I think this is the move. I don't know if it was trapped. I had this and he could come back. I mean, I could take, but I think this might be better. I don't know. It feels okay. Trey VB says, I got unconnected 0-point buy. Does that mean I'm out for the rest of the tournament? Travi B, that's why I was just trying to get you to Do I take? I think I take. I think I take. I really do think I take. Because I hit. And I get a pawn back. And I start developing. Oh, we have this move. I have this move. Although bishop e7 is a maneuver. It's a manunu. But I do have bishop g5 and it develops. I have this idea. Knight back. Or he can just develop. He can just develop. This might be the move. But see, Stagner's good. Stagner's good, guys. And so I can't get too tricky because he'll find the win. He'll find the win. I think this is definitely the move. Forcing him back. And then I might be able to gut him. No, it doesn't force him back. He could play d6, but I'll probably rip it. I'm playing this. Hitting the knight. He could play d6 or d5. I will open lines toward the enemy king. Then we'll take. Bishop g5 is still on the table. He plays d6. Oh, takes, queen takes is good because it defends the pawn. So do we take this now? Do I play bishop g5 now? Oh my god, he took away. He took away, guys. He took away. I have this. He had bishop e7, but he blocked it with the d pawn. Do you play viewers? Sometimes I do, a lot of times. This is our weekly tournament, Shuko. You should totally get involved. You could probably still join. You could probably still join with on chess.com. Bang. There we go, guys. You might still be able to get in late, guys. Now that I'm streaming to multiple platforms, I'm getting a lot more people asking about the about me playing viewers. Now I can attack the knight again. No, he could take here though. So do I need to take the pawn? Push is an idea. Queen takes, rook over. That looks like the move. Push. Push. If queen takes, rook over, I get the queen. Another thing it does, it cuts off. This is a good move, I think, guys. Because queen takes, rook over, I'm threatening checkmate. You guys see the pattern, guys. Okay. Oh, he has knight. He has knight. Okay. We're done goofing around. If I hit the queen, he can hit the knight. And the bishop. Then I can come back. He hits that. We want him to. We want his queen out of our life. I think yeah, see, I didn't realize he could play knight back. He could play knight back, guys. But then I could take a threat in f4. I think it all wins. I think we bring a piece. 1000% bring a piece. Wow, I'm gonna lose on time, guys. I'm gonna lose on time. Just take. Like I said, he can hit. I come back, queen takes. Bring another knight. Do I want his queen here? Kick the knight? No, it comes here. I think we have to take, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. C3 could be a move. C3 could be a move. Yeah. This is okay. Queen over. Okay, he just takes. Probably not a bad move. Did I win anything? Not really. A pawn? No, not even a pawn. I'm on mobile, so it takes me straight to the website. Well, oh, you know what you have to do? You have to join. Chess Chillers, the group. You go to. I have instructions right here. These are the tried and true instructions. Bang. Bang. And bang. We have a group called Chillers. Is it called Chess Chillers or Chillers? Yeah, Chess Chillers under clubs. You go to clubs, you search for chess. I have a minute? Wow. I don't know what to do. I just gotta move pieces, guys. I gotta move pieces. Now, you can't move pieces. Oh, a queen check was probably good too. Because he had knight back before, but he doesn't have knight back now. So queen check looks good. Queen check. solo on time. I lose this game. He finds the best move because he has all the time to do it, guys. And now I'm going to lose this, but... Okay. Wow, he goes there. Okay. Wow. This was a blunder. I thought it was so good. I thought it was a good move. He undeveloped his knight, and he developed my rook. Okay. I told you the mate, man. I told you about the mate like 20 moves ago. The time is scaring. For your information, can't see your clock on YouTube with scroller. Ooh! You're right. That's not supposed to go all the way across. You can't see it anywhere. That's not supposed to go all the way across. That's very interesting. Weird. Sorry. Yeah, it's been like that for a minute, too. Very weird. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Shuko made it in. Good. Let's see what's going on here, folks. Okay, round 2. Oh, no, people are still playing. Let us check out Ratul. Ratul used to play every week. Haven't seen him. He's been gone for a minute. I'm losing. I am _ losing all my pieces. Dude, I love this guy's name. I'm losing all my pieces. I thought I heard chill vibes somewhere in the neighborhood. Kenneth Matthew Borders, how you doing, dude? Kind of sneaky mate. It was there forever. It was kind of the theme of the stream. I was losing that game, I believe. Maybe Stockfish, actually, maybe not. But taking the rook, I don't know if it was the move. This is checkmate. Yeah. Ratul takes down a 1678. Ratul is one of us that is... He plays enough to where I wouldn't say he's underrated, but he's better than his rating, if that makes sense. Ratul can just lose. Ratul can play some really strong chess, is my point. Yeah, Zach got a free win. Good for you. Thank you for fixing that, Rob Mitchell. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, that mate was there, man. Boy, I can't wait to look at that game. Twisted Pixel, a.k.a. Mike Stagner in chat, plays 1-minute chess on his phone insanely fast. I don't even understand how he does it. I don't understand how he does it. He moves very, very, very fast. It's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, he was one of those guys that was on a insane trajectory. Oh, that game ended. Last game of the round. When this game is over, the next round starts. I know what I'm doing because Buck's thinking. I'm gonna hit the I'll be right back. Steve Robbins, thank you for the like, man. Kenneth Matthew Borders, thank you for the like. Yeah, Twisted Pixel's no joke. He's like, he would be, if he had more time and kept pursuing chess like he was for a time, there's no doubt in my mind. Because he gets it. Some people don't get it. I only get it to my rating. You know what I'm saying? Like Hikaru would say, yeah, Charlie, you don't get it. But Stagner gets it. Stagner gets it. He learns fast. He sees stuff. Wow. Oh, my rating is so low, I think I got points for that. Is that crazy? What happened to Daniel? Daniel doesn't lose often, folks. Daniel's a really good player. He was on an amazing streak. He wins almost every tournament he plays, guys. I think he won last week, even with Goat Doc getting a draw off him. I think he did. I'm not sure. We get to play Buck now, folks. Dude, I'm 1,600 and Buck is 1,514. This is crazy. Being less than 100 points ahead of Buck. D5, right? D5, E5. I think this is a good move. My game is so slow in putting me in games, I've lost a chance to play one already. Well, Shuko, I was trying to tell you, if you're watching on your phone or something and you're watching the stream and then you go from the stream to chess.com back and forth, chess.com could very easily see you as offline. Knights before bishops. I know my knight's coming here. Just put it there. And then we have hunting ideas as well. Oh, he could save it. Push. No, just develop. Bring it. Push it. Oh, man, he didn't push it, guys. Now I can push. It doesn't do anything. I could play knight and get this bishop. And then maybe push. I could also develop my pieces. I could develop my pieces, guys. This might be a good move. This might be the best move. Or knight. Bishop back and then push. Pushing could compromise his structural integrity. It opens up his bishop, though. Can't push this way. I could come here and keep... Keep the London bishop out, folks. Yeah. He attacks my bishop. Now, I can use it for time, but I think I don't want to. I think we want to save it this way. Okay. Just bring my pieces and play good chess and wait for... Black is better. Black must be better. I have a lead in development. My knights are better. My bishops are technically better. And I have a space. Because I control all these squares on his side of the board with pawns, and he controls no squares on my side of the board with pawns. You know what I'm saying? There also could be some ideas. I'm going to have to go. My cousin is here. Hey, Shuko, man, have a good time with your cousin, man. Family first, brother. Tell your cousin we said hey. And we'll see you next week. But I stream Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mondays, I usually do Facebook exclusively. But tomorrow, guys, I'm so sorry. No stream tomorrow. It's just not enough time in the world. I've had a major upset in my life with having to clean my house, but it's a really good thing. Because I could have tidied up. I have my dad, which, by the way, I'm going to try and get my dad to do a stream with me. We'll play some guitar for you guys. Is that a good move? I guess it's okay. Now his bishop's better than mine. I don't want to sacrifice my structure. This does help him develop. Takes knight. Takes, he has bishop takes, so I guess we take here first. Then we come here. Oh, he has... Well, he has pawn takes, but we could just... Bring the rook. He is killing me on time, guys. I think I'm okay, and I think I'm still better. But I have to really soak up the position. I have to consider everything. Consider everything, folks. Like I just was looking at Queen F4. Blundering my queen. I looked at it. Yeah. Brings the queen to B3. Here? I could attack the queen and just make it move and put my knight off sides, give up this square. Not loving that idea. This feels like a good move. This might be a better move. I just spent time putting this here, though, but this still isn't that bad. B6 defends the pawn. The thing about this is the infiltration. If I come here... Oh, no, we can come here. This might be better. No, I don't like it. Just H6, literally. Just H6 is probably a really good move. Oh, this is a good move too. This one attacks. You could come here though. Check doesn't do anything, but that... I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I feel like this... He just helps him. It helps him. I have to move. Okay. Oh, I can't infiltrate. I can come here, stopping stuff. I'm not looking at chat. You guys are saying moves. I already know it. I will read chat later. You guys say all the moves you want. Talk amongst yourselves. I am not looking at chat. Buck is much too good of a player. He has twice as much time as me. I know I'm not going to get my last cup of coffee, guys, because this game's going down on the wire, folks. He's really using his brain and his mind, guys. Okay, kick it. Because, I mean, we kind of played it to kick it, right? We played it to kick it, folks. queen back. You love to see. It's probably just infiltrate. I'm willing to accept what's happening. I'm willing to accept. For the activity. There's plenty of room for activities. My knight's a little bit on the rim. It could jump back real quick. Maybe with Carnage. Takes. I can't play bishop takes, so I must play rook takes. I mean pawn takes. But what this does, it keeps the knight out of e5. I'm looking at the positivity. I'm looking at the positivity. I see some ideas. Multiple. GPU, 30%. Wow. Really? Giving up this square. It kind of gets rid of some of my activities. But the knight is so good. I could come back and hit the pawn. But then my knight has no jumps. We have to go in. The knight comes hitting, right? It's a good square for his knight, by the way. This pawn is doing some good work, folks. I'm like, wait a minute, what did I just do? I wasn't sure. I think I'm still better. Okay, it's a move. I can push. I can save the bishop and reroute it to the weak pawn. Stockfish. Well, no, because then he kind of comes in a little bit. Oh my God. Maybe he is better. His knight's better than mine. Bishop. His knight's better than my bishop. I didn't have like a shot or something, did I? The rerouting could be a thing too. So my bishop is perfectly safe. Can't look at chat. I don't want to. Takes. This is forced. Now the question is, do I come up or come back? Coming up could be dangerous, and it could be winning. Now I definitely come up. Oh, maybe not, though. I could get too far. He plays knight back. Come in F3. Come in here doesn't do anything. Oh, he wants to come here. He wants to come here. I think need to play this. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh, I could attack the pawn. Attack the amigo's weakness. Do I come here and here? Now you just can't leave? Push here. Here he can push. Here he can take. So what do? We improve the knight for now. Okay, come here. You had time, dude. I wanted to take. I mean... Get out of the check. Really have to watch. I'm very low on time, guys. Kind of let him in. Take this. Buck. That was a great game. I feel pretty good about this game. Man, I want to make my coffee now. I gotta play Ratul. Good luck, Ratul. Play well, my friend. We're drinking water, folks. Oh my God. Buck. That was a crazy game, wasn't it? Do I just castle? I think this is the move. I don't know why. I used to feel like it wasn't the move, but I feel like I studied and I feel like it's the move. He's using his brain, folks, and his mind. Dude, that game felt like one of the most real games of chess I played in a while. Because I felt like I didn't force it. You know what I mean? I know I'm not saying I played great, but I didn't force it. I just kind of tried to play, like, improve. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. These games. Is it Bishop E3? This could be a position where it's actually H3. I think it might be H3. It's not usually H3, guys. But I think it's H3 in this position. It is. I think is that when you play H3, when you have this big center? I don't know. Right. Now there's nothing here. Oh, did I have queen? I might have had queen b3. I had queen b3, and I think that was the move too. It's okay. What do you play here? Do you take the spatula provided to you? Do I play queen d3, queen e2, queen c2? He has this move, doesn't do anything. Just castles. I can't. This gives up the pawn, but see, this feels like the move, but it's probably the move. It's probably the move. Wow, this position. It's so crazy how chess is. Yep, and I'm gonna do the same darn thing. I could have pinned, but then h6. You know what I'm saying? Only way I'm going to get my coffee is like if he drops a piece in the next few minutes. Now this can come here. Now you can move. Or this could be a good move too, but it could get hit. Maybe just rook. I want to connect my rooks though. I want to connect my rooks, guys. I want full rook connection. Right, right. Now, is this the move? Now I can't play this. I can come here though. I kind of want to do this. Because now I can play queen d3. I saw chat move. I'm afraid you're giving me grandmaster moves. Oh. Adds angle. I think I know who you are, brother. Adds angle. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's the world famous Chess Chillers Tournament Day. Nathan Watson, how you doing, man? Time. Oh, that was the last game. Good. Dude, I want coffee. He's using his brain. I need to be using my brain, guys. Use your amigo brain. Maybe b4 bishop? Is that an idea? Queen d3? Take this, just get this bishop off the board. I already have this move in. I think there might be a tactic there. I'm going to go for this plan. It's probably not best, but I'm going to go for this plan. I'm going for this plan, guys. Go over the plan. Oh, no. So hard. How we doing, dude? I'm doing great, Adam. How are you, man? That's you, right? Rob Mitchell. Oh, yeah. It's okay, brother. Thank you for the information. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. And if you're out there lurking, it's okay. But you know what? We get the best community in the world. All levels welcome anything. We just have a good group of people here. If you like what you see, hit the like button, the follow button, the subscribe button, all those buttons. Hit the buttons. Say hello if you want to. If you don't, that's cool too. That was the world's shortest lurker love, folks. But I know we got new eyes watching us. I've been streaming full time for 4.5 years, guys. Creeping up on 5 years now. With what I like to call the best community in the world. Yeah. By far. Just, I don't want to act like anyone's in the running. You know what I mean? Knight back. D5. I did it quick, guys. I'm putting the pressure on him. You know what I'm doing? I'm putting the pressure on him with quick moves because I got to go to the bio bathroom, guys. I know I just went. I'm drinking too much coffee. I'm doing good. Thanks on holiday in Santorini at the moment. Just wanting down. Thought I'd tune in. Cool, dude. Good to see you, man. Good to see you, my friend. Oh, my God. What's going to happen? Dude, we just almost for a second, which is unheard of, we almost for a second had more viewers on Twitch than on Facebook. That's insane. Facebook just I don't know if they're feeding me to the proper authorities. The proper authorities. I don't know. Goes back to where he belongs. Now. I gotta develop my stuff, guys. I gotta develop my stuff. Some moves should be easy. That probably wasn't where my bishop goes. But. Okay. Probably because of it, because of exactly this. Right? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Thinking about E5 and then like knight D5. Open it up. I mean, I don't know if I could ask for a whole bunch more than this. He hasn't made any big mistakes. I think white's better. I am better. I have more space on the queen side. I have more space in the center. I have two pieces controlling the center, occupying the center. He has no pawns occupying the center. He's controlling one square. I'm occupying two, controlling two. Brings the knight. If I push, can he play d5? Oh, he can play d5? d5, pawn takes. Knight takes, knight takes. Knight takes, bishop takes. So he can't play d5. I gotta go with my plan, guys. I gotta go with my plan. I don't know what else to do. I'm thinking about once the knight moves about dropping a knight in here. We could shut this down. We'll be threatening this square. Maybe I'll take first. And then bring a knight. The battery is not bad, guys. The battery is doing something. Right here could be a move too. Either way, I think I'll get some lateral defense. He plays knight back. Wow. Okay. No. Knight here plays knight takes, bishop takes, and c6, I think. So I think we take here first. And then 95 looks like a good move. I looked at e6 too. No, e6 doesn't work, right? Now this must be the move. This could be a move too. No. Get rid of the knight on f4. It's the best piece on the board, or one of them. Even though it's unprotected. He has 96 to pressure the d4 pawn. He has the sack knight h3. I don't think works. 96 blocks a file too. He takes. We're forced. Probably not a bad move. Takes and push, maybe? Now push, right? Every piece is playing. This improves the bishop. Same color bishops. That's good. The spatula is real, folks. The c6 square is a square. All passed pawns want to get burnt. Pushes now. Do I push? I think I do. Because of the... oh, no, it gives him a passed pawn, though. This gives him a passed pawn, but gives me a passed pawn. Oh, wow. This might be the best move. Kind of locking his pieces. I give him a passed pawn. What if I do nothing? It doesn't do anything. I think I push. No, it doesn't quite work. Maybe start doubling? I feel like it doesn't work. I need a plan here. I need a plan here, guys. I need a plan here to play a good rest of the game. I think I do that. I think I do that. Pawns on both sides of the board. Okay. Chat, she's a moving, folks. Right? Now, I think I took with the rook. I think I took with the rook. The bishop looks kind of active here, though. Take with the rook, he has queen. Hitting. I could get doubled. This is protected, but it could be tricky. This looks like a better move. The rattlesnake got me, guys. I hate when I drop it. I drop it with the rattlesnake. I hate it. Wow. attacking my pawn. This is a square. Don't lose on time. This attacks. I have a check. I have... kind of want to consolidate a little bit, right? Here. Attacking my rook. Go here. Can't I just do this? No! Buck gave it away to me, and I gave it away to Ratul. Good game, dude. I blundered my rook. Oh, no! Green dot is Bangladesh. No. I don't know. But guys, this is horrible that I got to play Daniel right now, but I have to hit the restroom. I'll be right back. I'm going to wait till he makes a move. E4. C5. I'll be right back. I cannot believe I draw my rook, guys. The rook, Adam. Glad to see chess streams. Alien Invader, thank you, man. Bishop d4 is very cool. Up on material. Yeah, I think that might be Bangladesh. I really don't know for sure. I need to relax. I was so stressed. Thank you for the follow, Alien Invader. Wow. I literally... Oh no, did Facebook drop? No, Facebook didn't drop, right? It says connect stream software to go live, yet it says end live video. Is Facebook up, guys? No. Well, you were up when I dropped. Well, I hate when it does this. Early Sardo Gaming. I should look it on my computer. It's way faster. Go to my profile. No. Yeah, it says live. Is it coming back? Facebook is still up. It's weird. I was having trouble looking at it. What do you do? He played this. Do I play D5 here? I don't know why I feel like it's a good move. But I feel like it's a good move. Okay, Facebook just dropped. And now, and I'll tell you right now, that was not me, guys. Facebook is done for the day. Because I can't just get it back up. Sorry. That was not me. I would tell you. I had zero problems on my end. Not even a blink. My internet is rock solid. So sad. It's because so many people come to Facebook for the chess stream. Is there any in my post-stream report? It doesn't tell me anything about stream health or anything. Okay. Well, sorry, guys. He plays back. Now, do I push? I don't think I push. I think we develop. Or no, I think I take. Yeah, no frames even drop over here. YouTube just so bad for streamers today. No, YouTube is fine. YouTube is killing it. It was Facebook that dropped. Is YouTube being a problem today for streamers? I don't feel like it. Right now, we must. How do I do this all the time? Yeah, Facebook dropped. Yeah, my Facebook dropped. But the one thing is, if I go live on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, if my internet like blinks and goes out for a second, Twitch and YouTube stay up, but Facebook will just like shut off. You know what I mean? But that's not what happened. I have the report right here. I can see what's going on. Yeah. I thought I dropped this pawn, but I might have had something to come in and be annoying. I think you should have took this pawn. I don't know, though. But I know that this is going to be the best diagonal ever. Yeah, remember, though? Did I screw something up one time? Because I literally played this idea because he played this move. Remember? Did I just drop the same pawn I dropped last week against him? I might have. If I did, that's insane. Okay. I can look at that pawn. I can look at the pawn and bring stuff. I can bring stuff, guys. I want to bring stuff to the party. Namely, rooks. I think he should have took that pawn, guys. I think that's the same pawn I dropped last week. If it is, it's going to be insane. Knight f5. I don't know, but this is cool. Knight f5, yeah. And I almost play knight f5, but you know what? I don't want to move the same piece twice. Yet. I want to bring all my pieces into the game. This is here. The thing about knight f5 is cool. The only way to kick it is with this move. Like, he could play bishop f2, bishop g1, whatever. Save the bishop. But if he plays this, he's opening up a really, really scary diagonally. Harry Potter went there. Okay, he's trying to make threats. It doesn't really threaten anything, though, right? Because I can come here. I can come here. This is a pretty good move. I'm going to do this one. That's a good move. Hits the bishop. Hits the pawn. And I actually could have h6 as well. It's getting cold. I love my AC. I'm thankful for it. I think this was a better move because he could have technically... He's looking at the sack. He's looking at the sack, but I think we just probably will play rook over to stop that sack. You know what I'm saying? Well, he actually would still have the sack if I play rook over and move the knight. No, he wouldn't. He takes, I just take. So this is probably my next move. Or h6. Knight d... h6, knight e4... What do you do? Brings the queen. Now, if I take, he could play knight takes hitting my queen. No, then I have this. he might want a pawn in that line. I think I take. Or h6. h6, get rid of the knight, then take the bishop. Bring rook. Bring both rooks. Right. Now. Take the bishop, because Stockfish takes the bishop. Although rook over might have been a better move. It's kind of some weird tactics that aren't there. Look like they were for a second. Okay. Okay. Knight's kind of keeping this out, but it's not really keeping it out. So we're going to come to bare squares. Hey, you want squares? You guys want squares? You got to give squares. What other square is this leaving? It's leaving behind. I saw this one. Okay. This queen is defending a pawn. You love to see that. Josh, what's up, dude? Plays knight back. Okay. We come here. And he takes. It's like, do we take with the pawn, though? I don't know if we take with the pawn. We might take with the rook. I might take it with the rook. He does this, he's going to have a weakness. If I take the bishop, I think I do this. Seems weird, but I'm doing it. Plays this move, but I could bring another thing. He can't take. So we come here. Almost caught up on time with the bio break and the Facebook drop. Guys, that's why you need to follow me on all platforms. Charlie Sardo Gaming, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. Yeah, I don't think any of this stuff works. That's a move. He gets a good knight. Do we take? think we should have taken immediately. We maintain the right to rip that knight whenever we want to. He has a weakness here. Takes. Here, you can bring a rook up. It doesn't do anything. Bishop takes. Pawn has to take this way, but that's just good for him. Although, this is the best piece on the board. Oh, bishop takes, pawn takes, he'll also be on this square. I still think it's good. I still think it's good. Is it good? Feel better about it now. I just didn't see a way to put pressure, man. Maybe it's just not correct, but I'm not sure to what. Okay. I don't know what to do. That's not it. I'm using all my time. I'm losing all my time. Maybe. H4. Okay. Ooh, he has threats too. Okay, so, answer the threat? How do I answer the threat? He's gonna get play now, though. I really might have screwed this up. I probably should have played rook. I just don't know. Okay. Oh, did I have this? This way, I think. What do you do here? Just push, push. No, he's definitely saved the bishop. Yeah, I kind of didn't see it, but I guess I can do this, right? There's a rip. I didn't know what to do. Wow. I lost on time. I looked and I saw it said 0.01. That was the mental error for not looking at the clock. Oh. Wow. Good game, Daniel. That's the best game I think I've ever had against him. Have I ever beat him before? He beats me every time, but oh my God. Good game, dude. Good game. 1897, that's very reputable. Thank you. Thank you, Alien Invader. Oh no. I was just ignoring chat and just playing moves. I was trying to beat him. I thought he had rook check and pick up the pawn. I think that was better than the move he played, but guess what? Everything he played was good enough. He gave me a lot of chances. He gave me a lot of chances, folks. I mean, I was winning, but it doesn't mean anything if you don't win. Heart attacks, man. You guys are giving me heart attacks in these games, guys. Actual heart attacks. I really want another cup of coffee, but I feel like I'm gonna have I don't feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack. Let's dial that back. But I do feel like I do feel a little bit. My heart is racing a little bit, guys, from these crazy games. And that's probably a move. Man. Okay. I think I take with check, right? Yeah, he didn't see the threat, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna have another cup of coffee. Okay. I can't believe I lost on time. I didn't want to lose on time. Okay. I'm like speechless now. Am I like having an adrenaline dump or something? Maybe? Wow. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. Check. The chess bras. Not, it's Eric Hansen, not Amon Hamilton. Eric Hansen. He says, check. He says, check. When he's playing online, he says, check. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny, guys. Oh my goodness. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. We have a speed run tonight. It is looking like it might be the... He just gave me an extra piece. Right now. Take this. Run this. Run this and this. Run this. It's a lot. This is round 5. This is the last round, man. I think everyone's lost so far. Maybe Ratul's winning. Let's look at the scores here. Oh, it doesn't standings. Daniel got 4 out of 5. He won his game already? Yeah, see, right, looking at this list right here, I might get it on tie breaks in a yeah, I think I will, because I think I had to play everybody that's winning the tournament. Okay. Is he threatening anything? No. I can't win. Why not, Josh? Oh, did I lose 2 games? Oh, I thought it was 4 out of 5. I lost 2 games. I lost 2 games. I thought I only lost 1 game. I thought I was in contention. No! Okay, that's a move. Threatening a square. Just take it. Dude, thank you. I literally thought... I thought I was in contention. I thought I was a contender. Dude, look at him. All of a sudden, he's coming back, guys. Wow. That's a move. right? If I take, he has rook takes check, king over, and nothing. And I just get another rook, but I'm already winning. Oh, just make the best knight in the world. And bring the other pieces. Just make the best knight in the world, folks. The untouchable. Dude. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, that's a move. He wants to come. But we're going to improve. With tempo. With tempo, I'll have you know. I could have just played and then defended with the queen. Oh, no, I couldn't have. Yeah, dude, I'll tell you, man. I don't know what's worse. Because I've been, like, few of these games, I've been shutting down and just paying attention. Very, very slight distractions with, Well, that would just drop a thing. I could do almost anything, but I need to win though. This is a good move. Yeah, he's got the pressure, guys. He's putting the pressure on me. But it's protected multitudes. So let's improve the queenster. Improving the Amigos queenster. Yeah, I can do almost anything. Pressure's gone. You can't control this rank. This rook's doing all the work. I definitely should bring the other rook. I mean, maybe I should start snacking stuff. I don't know. Depends on what there is to snack. You just got a lost position against Daniel in like 4 moves. Yeah, no, he's a good player, man. If you can't just play opening moves against good players. You know what I mean? Yeah, good game, Zachary. Dude, we're going to have so much fun tonight, man. Thank you for the game, brother. Let us look at... Yeah, for some reason, I thought I was in competition. Ratul and Buck, man. See, they haven't tallied the tie breaks yet, but my tie breaks are at 9. On my screen, my tie breaks are higher than anyone in the tournament. Wah. That means I played the people that are winning the tournament. All the people that are scoring the most points. Okay, what do we look at? Disguised Teriyaki came in? What? Who's he playing? He's playing Ratul. How come there's no... How come there's no evaluation? It shuts it off? Dude. Ratul has a good position against Disguised Teriyaki. It said no blunders, just one mistake. Wow. Really? How could it say that? How could it say that? I feel like you blundered a whole bunch of stuff. But I guess it didn't matter. I don't know, but if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. We got an Elden Ring stream coming up in a couple hours. Woo! And this is the last round of the tournament, man. We do this tournament every week. Every Wednesday, guys. We've been doing it for about 4 years. Maybe a little bit longer. And this is... Someone said the other day what number it was. How did they come up with that number? but because we've had but it's over 220 or something. Yeah. I just played really bad. Last all 4 games I got to play, everyone was like 2 times my rating. Dude, that's good. That's good. You look at the games and see what you could have done better. It's beautiful to have 4 games against 4 higher rated opponents. Like, double your rating. That's good. That's good. And, you know, might be a little bit better if they were like 200 or 300 points higher than you, 400 points higher than you, not double, you know, because, you know, I can learn. I would get better if I played only Grandmasters. I would get a lot stronger. I'd have to go home and my tactics would have to get very sharp. I'd feel what it's like. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I'd be learning by example and a little osmosis at the same time. I just would lose every game. You know, you got to be okay with that. You know? I love playing higher rated opponents. They've always been easy rating points for me, man. Not now. Back when I was playing chess and coming up, my rating was going up. When I was rated 1700, I wanted to play like someone's rated 2000. And I always played in the opens. I never played in the section. They'd have like a under 1800 section. From 1600 to 1800, you could compete for a prize if you join this section or something. But then you'd only play people in that section. Now, every tournament's not exactly like that, but sometimes they would have tournaments like that. And I just play the open. I play the open, man. I want to play the best players, even when I was only 1700. Even when I was 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, I always played the best players. And I just always got better. I never won money. I probably won money one time, a couple of times. But dude, that's how I get this, from playing the best players. Oh. I wonder if FIDE Master David... Ooh, I gotta dust that. I wonder if FIDE Master David Bassett played in 89. When I got that trophy. No, we knew each other. Pretty sure we knew each other. He's won that tournament, man. The Open. Pasadena Chess Club. That's no joke tournament, guys. That's no joke tournament. There's a lot of strong masters in that tournament. I bet sometimes international masters. David won it. I won the B prize. Yay! I don't know if, like, at some point, do you bother with this? I'm not sure what happens here. This bishop just doesn't look strong like Boar. You're going to go play Elden Ring. See you in 2 hours. All right, Z Marshall. It's gonna be fun, dude. We're getting on Discord, right? We got to be on Discord, brother. I've had you on the Discord, so just get on Discord and go down into the. I think there's a Night Rain waiting room or something. Yeah, and then I'll drag you up. I'll drag you up in, and we'll get that speed run going, man. Get that speed run going. We're just going to get it done. We're just going to get her done. We're just going to get her done. We'll make all decisions as we go. It's up to you. Oh, the scroll isn't even down where it should be, bro. What the heck with the scroll? It should be right there. Duh. Could you guys tell? How did that thing even... I don't even know how that thing got all the way across the screen. I don't get it. You have an alarm set you'll be before 8. Cool, man. Yeah. I don't need to set an alarm because... anymore. Restreaming to multiple platforms and stuff. With Facebook, man, I could go live instantly. But when I'm going to YouTube and Twitch, I have to. It takes a longer time to set up. So I actually start setting up an hour ahead of time, which is in an hour from now. But I have to make food. Oh man, this is actually really not awesome. Probably not an altogether bad move. Because how's he gonna attack these pawns? And this takes. You come here. You'd have to give up the file. It's not good. This is really bad, I think. He's looking at stuff like rook takes, and then bishop takes. Pawn takes, shove. Probably is it. So he's looking at rook. Yeah, rook to. Oh man, now bishop takes. Is this better? Bishop takes look pretty good. Bishop takes pawn, guys. If takes, we shove. Oh, he knows he was getting the infile, the filtration, and you know what? The filtration. The problem, yeah, guys. This guy's teriyaki is, he's very often over 2,200. That's a tough game, Ratul. But dude, what? Ratul has a good game here against a very high-rated player that he can look at and learn from. That rook is tied down, which is not good. Like what could he have done back here before that pawn shoved? Oh, okay, yeah. What did I say earlier? Yeah, like I think you gotta play a6 here. You gotta play a6 to keep your pawns on light squares and keep him from breaking off the dark squares, or to try. Oh my goodness gracious. I just reloaded the board, folks. There we go. Did it just... Where'd the sound go? I reloaded the board and the sound went away, guys. Why? Oh, it's back now. It was weird. White is up 2 pawns. Active rook. Active enough king. This should be... If he comes, we can kick. If he comes, and we just full kick drum. The kick drum is real, folks. You just play king up. No, you don't have to push pawns. Do you? I mean, he can't get in. He can't get in. So you just bring your king and start shoving your pawns. I think. I don't freaking know. This guy's teriyaki, guys. He's 2,000. What's he doing? This guy's teriyaki. It's funny because that his name is food, because sometimes he plays with his food. Ratul, ever the warrior. What is these classroom? They're making like new little... Oh, there's a flipboard right here. You don't have to go to flipboard up here. There's a flipboard here. That's cool. I didn't know that. That's new. I think it's new. I don't know, guys. I only spend my life on chess.com. It's just too much. It's just too much. This is a huge threat. No, it's not. You might have to bring a king, but you can't lose. So just bring a king, and then shove the pawns. There's nothing. Just bring the king. King. This guy's teriyaki is trying to find out some fun way. He likes to have fun, guys. He's a good, fun player. Bring... Oh, he does that. Says take it, and I will make a queenster. He didn't underpromote, folks. That's good news. You could take on passanting. Now, he could do something like this and try and play for a stalemate, but Here he goes, folks. Disguised teriyaki being disguised teriyaki. That would be stalemate. So, check. Check. And mate. Disguised teriyaki is just saying, dude, you can resign, you know. You can resign, you know. You don't have to. You don't have to. It's everyone's game. It's last game of the tournament. You could do anything. You could play Queen G4 and still win. Brings the knight. Here it comes, folks. The disguised teriyaki is going to bring another knight. Oh, another knight! Too bad he can't sack this pawn. If he could sack this pawn, he might actually be able to chase the king out and force the king to take this pawn. And then checkmate him with two knights. It's possible. He's going to mate him with a pawn, folks. No, it's not mate, though. Bishop. This is mate. Okay, now he still has a square. Oh, I see the mate. I see the mate. When he comes here, we wait. Or... no, but he'll actually have the square too. The queen is difficult to maneuver. It's the longest tournament of the week, folks. I literally... oh my god, I almost want to just... I don't know, man. It's kind of fun to watch this, right? You just gotta see the guy's got a square. He's got a square here, so wait. You want a waiting move. The problem is it's hard to make a queen waiting move. Okay, he's gonna wait move like that. Check. Is this mate? Wait with wait. Yeah. All right, guys. I got a life to live. I got cleaning to do. I got freaking dinner to eat. We got a Elden Ring stream in a few hours. I love you guys. I can't. You know what's funny? I can't even say who won the tournament. Daniel Stamidis with 19. Because Ratoul's definitely not going to win this game. He can't win this game. He can only draw. So it's losing all my pieces or Daniel. I think it's Daniel wins because he... oh, thank God they finished it. Daniel wins with 4 out of 5. I am International Master at losing all my pieces. He's not really International Master. It's a great name. 4 out of 5. Oh, man. Buck got 3rd place. Good stuff, guys. Dude, I got a Ratoul, and I finished with 3 out of 5. Woo, 4th and 5th. That was awesome, man. Let's check out some under, we'll do like an under 1,100, under 700, but there's a lot of high-rated players today. Highest under 1,100 is Z Marshall with 1 out of 5. And highest under 700 is Sacrificed. Rated 680 with 1 out of 5. Good games, folks. Good fun. Love you guys. I'll be back in a little under 2 hours for Elden Ring After Dark Zachary's speed run for the co-run clash. It's going to be amazing. Love you guys. Catch you guys in a little bit. Goodbye.